How to log out of your Gmail account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign out of Gmail from your device in just a few steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. At this point, you'll see all the Google accounts currently signed in on your device. Let me show you. Tap on the account you want to log out of. In the next step, tap on Remove Account to sign out of that Gmail account from your device. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear letting you know that removing the account will delete all its data from the device. Tap on Remove Account again to confirm. Once done, the Gmail account will now be logged out and removed from your device. From here, if you want to log out through your device settings instead, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. At this point, tap on Manage Accounts. From there, tap on the Gmail account you want to remove. Tap on Remove Account. At this stage, confirm by tapping on Remove Account again, and the account will be signed out right away. Here's an important note. Logging out of your Gmail account on Android also signs you out of all other Google services on that device, including Google Drive, YouTube, and Google Photos. So keep that in mind before removing it. And that's it. If this guide helped you log out of your Gmail account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.